For this particular video, we're taking the new hot Y2 DAP and comparing it to the Surfans F20 Pro. Now, in the previous video, we compared this to the Capsu, which is actually less expensive. And of course, in this case, full disclaimer, we're reversing it. This time, the Y2 is a less expensive player at about $75, $80, and this one here is more expensive at about $139, although you can find it on sale for about $130-ish, you know? So anyway, guys, what do you get? Is it worth spending the extra money to get the Surfans F20 Pro? And I'm going to discuss two things here. One, my biggest gripe with the Y2, you guys know this, is build quality. The build quality of this DAP, although it's very cute and looks like an iPod, the build quality is not iPad quality, okay? It feels very cheap, very plasticky. The sound is okay, you know, but it does have problems playing higher end music files. Able to skip over them like they don't exist, you know? And that's a problem, you know? The actual UI is pretty snappy. You can scroll through and definitely give you a little bit of a pod kind of feeling to it. I cringe a little even just saying that, because at least the quality, I'm no huge Apple fanboy, but the quality of an iPod actually sounds, you know, feels good in your hand. It sounds good. Everything about it is pretty good, you know, especially for being back years and years ago, you know. Now, fast forward to 2026, you think the Y2, the successor of the TikTok, you know, baby, the Y1, you know, everyone loved the Y1. So you think you'd love the Y2 even more, but this is kind of, I'm not saying it's a cash grab. It does have a SD card slot, and there's some benefits, which you could see in my unboxing video for the Y2. But in general, for the price, if you're willing to go just a little bit more expensive and get something like the Surfans F20 Pro, this is a much more quality player. You know, let me pull it out of its case here for you. I mean, this feels like a quality player. It has glass, it has metal, it has a nice wheel that actually is better quality. It actually turns. You can feel some light tactile feedback as you turn the wheel. I mean, it's a good player, guys. And the music sound quality is excellent as well. You're going to have a very enjoyable experience. Sorry for the fingerprint smudges on there. But you're going to enjoy it much better. This one here, I've always complained about the flex. If you push on the screen a little, light bends. It's very cheap and plasticky, as you can see right there. See how it bends like that? Extremely cheap. This is like dollar store quality, you know. But when you spend just a little bit more, you're getting, again, metal, you're getting glass, you're getting no flex. I can get fingerprints all over the screen and light does not bend. It feels very solid and secure, you know. So just a much better experience as far as holding it, you know, and playing it. You can feel proud to be carrying this, you know. This one, I don't know. People might think, oh, it's a you know, cheap knockoff of an iPod, and that's kind of what it is, you know. So as far as listing quality goes, Surfans knocks it out of the water, blows the socks off, whatever you want to say, you know. As far as build quality, Surfans kills it, you know, with quality. This is much, much better than that, you know. Is there a reason for buying that? You could say, okay, well, it's, you know, $75, you know, but if I really wanted just a cheap little player, you know, that, you know, plays MP3 files okay and sounds good, heck, I would go ahead and buy one of these little clip-on guys for like 20 bucks. I have a bunch of these and I love these. If you go back in my queue, you'll see I've done a lot of reviews on the different collector colors and things of these little Yotan MP3 music players. They're actually really great for the price, you know, and they're very convenient for just clipping onto backpacks and things. You know, you can have a whole bunch of them on there, you know. So, I mean, as far as a cheap player goes, I would definitely take one of these for 20 bucks over one of those for 75. As far as separation goes, it has good separation, you know, and it is clean for like a low noise floor to the whole thing. So that's something to consider. It has great detail at low volume, but if you start cranking up, you're going to have some problems and it's not going to sound as clean, you know. I would say that, you know, it's not bad. Paired with the right in-ear monitors, you can have an enjoyable experience. You can, you know, but I just can't get past that cheapness of this actual unit. I wish it was better quality. Now, speaking of quality, again, this feels amazing. The Surfans F20 Pro uses a modern DAC. Okay, so that's going to have a stronger output power to it and a slightly brighter, kind of more of a energetic sound as a whole. You know, it's going to be great for headphones. So if you have, you know, headphones that need juice, this is going to be your little baby for sure, you know, and it's definitely more refined as far as music and separation, sound field, you name it, than the Y2. And again, I don't want to put down the Y2 completely because, you know, for the price point, it doesn't sound that bad. You know, if I was to like feel this blindfolded and think, okay, how is this going to sound? I would going to say it's going to sound terrible, but it doesn't. It sounds okay, but it doesn't play higher end files. And this is really more of a gateway drug to, you know, bigger and better things, more expensive DAPs, you know, audiophile DAPs, that kind of thing. This is going to, for the price point, you're going to have a much better listening experience. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering which one I would go with, without a doubt, I'm sure you guys already know, I would go with the Surfans F20 Pro, you know. Just great quality, well worth the money, well worth spending the extra money to get the better quality unit, you know, compared to the Y2. If you only have a small amount of money to spend, you might as well just get a Y1, in my opinion, honestly. Or, you know, take my advice, if you just want to spend 20 bucks, you know, this honestly, and I might just have to deep dive into this later, I think this sounds as good or better than the Y2. And the price is 20 bucks. You could get 4 of these in different colors, one for each different type of music. You have one for rock, one for, you know, alternative, one for rap, one for classic rock or something, or whatever you like. You could have 4 different units with 4 different musical, like, playback styles, genres on it, you know, and for the price of one of those. So I would rather have 4 of these little clippy guys, honestly, if I'm going cheap. So anyway, guys, there you have it. Any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, and we'll talk to you soon. Links for everything is right below. Bye-bye.